Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Moradabad location. It is from Uttar Pradesh. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there are openings for field collection officers for a leading bank, Fortune Academy of Banking and Finance. Like it is for their mortgage business. For this position, fresher graduates only can apply. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive for used car loan product and it is from Hero FinCorp. For this position, they are looking for the local candidates with having auto loan background would be preferred and freshers also can apply and they are looking for Moradabad and nearby surrounding areas and the salary will be up to 12,000 plus in hand and handsome incentives and PF. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, iNext is hiring for designer position. You must have skill sets of InDesign, Quark, Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, JVs and F1 Info Services is hiring for service technician position for Prexo and delivery. For this position, like you must have bike with driving license and also you must have skill sets on tech knowledge of mobile and mobile port knowledge. The salary will be up to 19,000 per month in hand and PF and ESIC conveyances will be there. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Extramox is hiring for school relationship officer. Like you please check one's job roles and responsibilities and the salary will be high on last drawn. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Flipkart is hiring for trainer position like a customer experience coach. Like you should be flexible or competent or confident. You must have good communicational skills, customer handling experience. You should be ready to relocate or travel as per business requirements. You should have experience in training blue collar employees and you have to join immediately. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for storekeeper from GA Infra. For this position, you should have BTech or BA or MCA or BCA qualifications with 1 year of work experience. And you please check on skill sets required for you to eligible. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for area sales manager. Like you must have qualifications BSc or MSc in agriculture or diploma or degree in business management. And also you must have 1 to more than 3 years of work experience in sugarcane and bioproducts. And also you must have experience of handling the brand sales of pesticides, biostimulants and water soluble fertilizers and sugarcane and you please check one's responsibilities, those are mentioned here and the salary will be up to 3 lakhs per annum. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are various job vacancies available from Burger Singh quick service restaurants industry. They have vacancies for store manager or restaurant manager, shift manager and team member. Like you must have 1 to 5 years of work experience in the same industry and the salary will be 1.2 to 3 lakhs per annum. If you are eligible for any of the job position, You can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Tirthankar Mahavir University is hiring for digital marketing team like a content writer and a SEO specialist. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, top-notch edutech company is hiring for human resource business partners. Like you must have 1 to 5 years of work experience in the same profile, and also you must have regular MBA qualifications from 2017 batch will be preferred, and the salary will be up to 8 to 17 lakhs per annum, depends on your current CTC, like 30% hike on your current CTC. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Mark Impex is hiring for SEO analyst, digital marketing. For this position, you must have 2 to 6 years of work experience, and the salary will be not constant for the right candidate. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.